Are you facing challenges with regard to one or more of the following? Lacking cutting-edge insights in real time into your business KPIs? Underperforming cloud or on-premise data warehouse? Unable to integrate data across the different data sources? Unable to utilize semi-structured or unstructured data into your analysis? Slow performance of the analytics application, leading to lower adoption? In our series of discovery workshops, we aim to empathize with your needs and deliver a blueprint for a successful strategy and greater adoption. We will review and assess your requirements and current state of your analytics and recommend the best solution while considering a range of potential solutions. Here's what you will gain from attending our analytics discovery workshop. Benchmark your current analytic activities and processes relative to industry best practices. Identify opportunities to better leverage analytics. Prioritize data-centric business goals to minimize cost and maximize return on investment from analytics. Get in touch with our representatives to learn more.